Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by opening numbers and choosing a template that matches your goal. A blank sheet works for general tasks. Once done, name the document and confirm iCloud is on so changes sync automatically. Next, set the spreadsheet's units and default currency to avoid later conversion errors. This matters when you import or collaborate. Now create your first table. Click the Table button and add headers. These steps ensure structure and prevent rework as you build formulas and layouts. You now structure data. Insert tables, drag handles to resize, and lock header rows so labels stay visible when scrolling. Once your numbers are in, apply functions like sum or if by typing equals into a cell. Numbers suggests completions, which speeds work. Use VLOOKUP for lookups or average for quick summaries, and make sure to format cells, number, currency, or percentage, so values display correctly. When done, create a summary table, referencing original cells, to avoid duplicating. You finish by visualizing results. Select the range and insert a chart, then tweak styles and axis labels so the chart communicates clearly. Once satisfied, share via iCloud link or export as XLSX, PDF, or CSV for collaborators using other tools. If numbers look wrong, check formulas, confirm referenced ranges, and verify cell formats. Text in a number cell breaks calculations. As one key troubleshooting tip, use Formula Editor to trace dependencies. It reveals which cell
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.